Let me share my sandwich recipe with you. Into a pot on fire, I'm going to go in with some butter, then the chicken breast. You can use any protein of your choice, but in this video, I'm using some chicken breast to do this. I'm going to be seasoning this with some garlic, onions, ginger powder, chicken seasoning, and some salt. You can use any other seasoning of your choice to do this. Okay. Now, all I'm going to do is to stir this until I achieve a golden brown color. All the ingredients and their measurements will just be in the description, so please read the description to get all the details you need to make this. So after I achieve this, all I'm going to do is to set this aside, then I'll work on my sauce. Okay, the sauce is just some mayonnaise, ketchup, black and white pepper, and some vinegar. In place of the white vinegar, you can use lemon juice. Okay, you can use lemon juice, and everything will be in the description. Make sure to mix this until everything is well combined. Take part of your sauce aside, which we'll be using later. Okay, take part aside before you put the chicken into it. You want to soak the chicken together with the sauce so that everything is well coated, and we go ahead to get our bread. This is a regular tea bread. Okay, yes, I'm going to divide this into two, and I'll toast it until I get something like this. This is going to help the sauce stay on top of the bread without the bread soaking the sauce. It's very important. Now that you've done this, do that for the other one as well. Then you go ahead to do your toppings or your fillings. You can use any vegetable you prefer. You can use cabbage if that is what you feel comfortable with. You can take something out of this and you can add. So with the cheese which I've added here, I'm going to be heating this for a few minutes, and then this will just be perfect to be enjoyed. I hope this video helps you. If you find it helpful, do not forget to like, share, click on the bell notification icon so you do not miss out on any video I'll post in the future. Comment your thoughts, and then I will see you on the next one. Until then, stay safe. Bye.